The second G7 summit begins in France as leaders focus on global security and economic stability. The 52nd G7 summit is set to commence today, 15th June 2026, in the French city of Evian, and it will bring together the leaders of the world's leading advanced economies at the time of the significant geopolitical development. This year's summit set to kick off against the major breakthrough in West Asia, with the United States and Iran finalizing an agreement to end their 107-day conflict and it reopening the strategically important Strait of Hormuz. This summit hosted under the France presidency, and it will focus on the global economic stability, international partnership, critical supply chains, and pressing the geopolitical challenges. Evian to host 52nd G7 summit. The picturesque French city of the Evian, which is located on the shores of the Lake Geneva, has become the center of the global diplomacy as leaders gather for three-day summit. French President Emmanuel Macron will formally welcome leaders from the G7 member countries such as United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, France, Italy, Japan. The President of the European Council and the European Commission are also participating in the G7 summit. Positive development in West Asia shapes discussion. A major development preceding the summit is the agreement between the United States and Iran to end their 107-day war and to reopen the Strait of Hormuz. The Strait of Hormuz is the world's one of the most critical maritime choke points and carrying nearly one-fifth of the global oil supply. Its reopening is expected to stabilize the global energy markets, improve shipping routes, reduce the geopolitical tension, strengthen the global trade flows. France, Germany, and the United Kingdom and Italy have welcomed the development through a joint statement and emphasizing the importance of the unrestricted freedom of navigation in the region. Key priorities of the French presidency. Under France presidency, the G7 Summit 2026 is focusing on several critical priorities which are aimed at addressing global challenges and fostering sustainable growth, reducing macroeconomic imbalances, promoting a shared growth, renewing international partnership, critical minerals and supply chain resilience. One of the major themes of the summit is enhancing the resilience of the critical mineral and strategic supply chains. As the demand for clean energy, technology and advanced manufacturing grows, countries are seeking to reduce their vulnerability in the supply of rare earth minerals, lithium, cobalt, semiconductor components, strategic industrial materials. Focus on global geopolitical challenges. The summit agenda also includes the discussion on the major geopolitical crises and international security concerns. World leaders are expected to exchange their views on developments in West Asia, the Ukraine conflict, global security architecture, maritime security, regional stability. The summit provides the important platform for coordinated diplomatic efforts aimed at addressing these challenges. India among key partner countries. India has been invited to participate in the summit as a partner country alongside with the Brazil, South Korea, Kenya, Egypt. Additionally, Ukraine, Qatar and the United Arab Emirates have also been invited.